Hello students, how are you? Today I am again here with a new topic. It is very interesting, okay? Because it is all about our beautiful country, India. So our topic is the relief features of our country. Do you know what is known as relief features? You know, the earth's surface is not the same at every place, isn't it? In some places it is higher, while at some places it is lower. These differences create different landforms, okay, which are also referred to as relief features or physical features. Now I am going to show you a model of some of the relief features of our country. Okay, this is a simple model, but I hope you will learn many important things from it. Okay, children? Now the relief features we have are plateau, desert, plains, rivers and mountains. One by one we are going to discuss. Okay? This is a plateau. You may ask, ma'am, what is it? What is a plateau? A plateau is a flat tableland which rises abruptly from the surrounding area on at least one side. Okay? Plateaus occur on every continent and takes up a third of the earth's land. Okay? There is rich minerals deposit like iron, mica and limestone in this region. Now farmers in this region grow cotton and oilseeds. Okay? The vegetations, the vegetations means the forest and plants. The vegetations in plateaus differ from one area to another. The higher plateaus are used for sheep and cattle rearing, and the lower plateaus are suitable for farming. The Deccan Plateau covers more than 8 states of India. They are what? Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Kerala. Another one we have Chota Nagpur Plateau. It is in eastern part of India, which covers much of Jharkhand, okay, state, as well as adjacent parts of Bihar, Odisha, West Bengal and Chhattisgarh. Next we have desert. Okay, desert is another relief feature. Now what is known as desert? A large area of land, usually covered with sand. Okay, it is hot and has very little water and very few plants. It is a barren area of landscape where there is no rainfall, no vegetation and very few animals like camels. Okay, here the summers rises up to 50 degrees Celsius. You know how hot it is. It is because of reasons like this, that few people live in the desert. Sandstorms lead to creation of sand dunes. You have seen sand dunes, which are basically small hills made from sand. Date palms and cacti are the common desert plants. Next we have plains and rivers. See, plains are lowlands which covers thousands of kilometers. They are mostly flatlands, okay, without much differences in height. They are found normally in continents and near water bodies like rivers. Lots of people live in plains, then on mountains and plateaus. Lots of towns and cities are also located in the plains. This is because of the fertile soil, plants or water and proper transport facilities. Okay, it is easier to build here roads and airports, train lines and canals in plains. We can see large industries such as iron and steel in the plains. Okay, rivers now. We have next rivers. Rivers are found from the mountains. It flows at a great speed as it rushed down into the mountains. From where the river comes? From the mountains. A number of rivers join the Ganga. As a result, what? The volume of water increases and meets with the sea. Okay, merging into with the ocean. The soil deposited on the plains by the rivers is very fertile and rich in minerals. Do you know? It is called alluvial soil. What is it called? Alluvial soil. This fertile region is called the food bowl of India. What is it called? The food bowl of India, because here much of food for India is grown here, okay, near the river. So that's why it is known as the food bowl of India. Next we have mountains. What are mountains? Mountains are landforms that are much higher than the surrounding area. They have great height and are pretty steep as well. You have seen the mountains? Anybody? They have sharp peaks. Okay, they have sharp peaks. Hills are much smaller version of mountains. Okay, the hills are little bit smaller than the mountains. See, we have peaks here, mountain peaks full of snow, isn't it? Now, a mountain range is a collection of mountains. Okay, what are mountain ranges? Many mountains together in a line is known as mountain ranges. We have in our country, in the north part of our country, we have ranges of mountain known as Himalaya. Okay. Do you know why mountains are important? Mountains act as natural barrier and protect our country. The mountain slopes are full of beautiful flowers, forests and medicinal herbs. The melting snow of the Himalayas provide perennial water to the rivers. Okay? They protect our country from the northern latitude, prevent the moisture-laden winds. Okay? This mountain protect our country from the cold wind which blows from outside, from the desert area and comes to our country. So it protects that, and even mountain protects the trespassers, that is our enemies. Okay, they are unable to enter our country only because of these mountains. Okay, the ranges of mountains. The mountainous areas have a lot of flora and fauna and even minerals. Do you know what is flora and fauna? Flora is the plants and fauna is the animals. So in mountains area we can find many different kinds of plants and animals. Okay, they live in mountain. Okay, so children, have you understood about this model? I hope you have understood. So now you tell me how many types of relief features we have learned today. First one is plateau, then desert, then plain, then rivers and mountains. We have learned 5 relief features today. Okay. Now this relief features you have to learn, and there is one homework for you, that is you have to make this model at home. Okay, prepare this model